Myself, Dimple Sharma, Marketing Manager of Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. Today, we are diving into the Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme or FMCS, an essential certification for foreign manufacturers and Indian importers who are looking to sell their products in India. So let's break it down and see why this is so important and how it works. So first, let's talk about what exactly is FMCS. FMCS is a scheme under India's Bureau of Indian Standards that ensures products imported into India meet stringent quality, safety and reliability standards. It is governed by the BIS Act 2016 and the Conformity Assessment Regulations 2018. This certification is critical for foreign manufacturers to use the ISI mark on their products, a mark that guarantees trust and compliance. Now you might be wondering what kinds of products fall under FMCS. So the list is extensive and it includes electrical appliances, medical devices, toy and children products, automotive components, chemical, textiles and more. If your product falls into any of these categories, obtaining FMCS certification is a must for the Indian market. Also, if you want to know whether BIS is applicable on your product or not, you can call or email us using the details displayed on the screen. Now, why is this certification so significant? So the primary goal of the FMCS is to ensure the public gets safe, reliable and high quality products. It is also a gateway for foreign manufacturers to access the Indian market without delays or restrictions. The process ensures compliance with Indian standards through inspections, audits, and documentation reviews. Now let's talk about the certification process. There are several steps involved. Step 1. Preparation of the foreign manufacturer documents. Step 2. Preparation of sample as per BIS standard requirements. Step 3. Submission of technical documents. Step 4. Appointment of an authorized officer in India. Step 5. Inspection by officer of manufacturing facilities. The inspection takes place for 3 days. Step 6. Samples sealed by officer are sent to BIS approved labs. And step 7. Labeling and packaging compliance. Each step ensures that the manufacturing facilities and processes align with BIS standards. Now for BIS registration, there are certain documents which are mandatory for filling the application. These documents are 1. Application form, 2. Nomination form, 3. Business license and address proof, 4. Route map, 5. Authorized signatory letter, 6. All India representative documents, 7. List of raw material, 8. Process flow chart, 9. Plant layout, 10. List of manufacturing machinery, 11. QCI documents, 12. List of testing equipment, 13. Factory test report, 14. Calibration certificates. How long is the certification valid? The initial certificate is valid for 1 year and it will be renewed every year, provided the product meets the required standards. But remember, timely renewal is crucial. There's late fee if you miss the deadline. As a leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specializes in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers. With a wealth of experience aiding over 1,000 plus clients, we offer end-to-end solutions from setting up in-house laboratories to obtaining licenses and managing post-compliance requirements.